Hello, this is Pooja P.S. I am pursuing BE in Information Science at Channabasweshwara Institute of Technology, and today I am going to teach about printing the first non-repeated character from a string. And here a character is said to be non-repeating if its frequency in the string is unit. Now for finding such characters, one needs to find the frequency of all characters in the string and check which character has the unit frequency. And this task could be done efficiently using a hash map, where it will map the character to the respective frequencies, and in which we can simultaneously update the frequency of any character we come across in constant time. And the maximum distinct characters in the ASCII system are 256. So the hash map has a maximum size of 256 here we have considered in the program. Now coming to the algorithm, this is the algorithm that we follow to remove the first non-repeated character from a string. The first step is we are making a hash map which will map the character to the respective frequencies, and then we are traversing the given string using a pointer, and we are increasing the count of the current character in the hash map. And now we traverse the string again and check whether the current character has the frequency equal to 1. And if the frequency is greater than 1, we are continuing the traversal, else we are breaking the loop and printing the current character as the answer. Then we will get the first non-repeated character in the string. And this is the C++ code that we are using to print the first non-repeated character from a string. Here we are defining the number of characters as 256. As I said earlier, in the ASCII system there are 256 characters. So we are defining 256 characters here, and we are creating a function called getCharCountArray, and this function returns an array of size 256 containing the count of the characters in the passed character array. And next this is the function, that is first non-repeating function that we have created, and this function returns the index of the first non-repeating character in a string, and if all the characters are repeating, then it returns -1 as the index. So this is the main code or the driver code. Here we are creating a simple string, that is programming basics programming. I am considering here the simple string, and here we are calling first non-repeating function, and if it returns, and this function, if it returns -1, index equal to -1, then we are printing either all the characters are repeating or string is empty. Else we are printing the first non-repeated characters %c, that is we are printing the index that this function returns. That is, if we consider in this example programming basics programming, in this string the first non-repeated character is B. This is the first non-repeating character here, so the output should be B here. So we will get the output first non-repeating character is B. This is the output that we get. Thank you.